Hi, thank you for joining me for today's tutorial. We are going to talk about the dual format label for different amounts of food. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency says that you can use this format in cases where it is suitable to provide nutrition information for a food in more than one amount, or to reflect different uses or different units of measurement of a food. The example that they use is 2 slices of bread and 1 slice of bread. So I'm also going to use that example. Now, this tutorial assumes that the bread recipe has already been created and that you have the Canadian module installed. I already have the recipe on screen, so the first thing I will do is click View Label. Now, because I also use the US labeling module, and this is the first time I have viewed the label for this recipe, a standard US label will open. You can change this later in Preferences if you wish, but for now, let's just go to Edit Label. For Country Authority, select Canada. For Regulation, select Nutrition Facts 2016. And for the Recommendations profile, select Adults. Under Style is where you select dual format, different amounts of food. For your serving size, enter the household measure of 2 slices. This will appear beside the gram weight, and then enter 20 for servings per container. Now scroll down to the dual format section. For the column 1 header, it's going to be our 2 slices, and let's type that in again. For the column 2 header, like I said before, we're going to use 1 slice, so type that in. In order for Genesis R&D to calculate the nutrient amounts for the second column, I have to enter in the correct gram weight. What you see here is the total gram weight for 1 serving, 2 slices, 50 grams. Given that, we can know that 1 slice is half a serving, or 25 grams, so I'm entering that right there. And then I click OK. And now you have the dual format label for different amounts of food. There's one more tip that I want to show you while we're here. You see up at the top how the measures are on 2 lines, but it's not even, it doesn't look good. I want to fix that. There are a couple of ways to do that. The first I'm going to try is the easiest way, and just stretch the label a little wider. But that didn't quite fix it. So go to Edit Label again. This time I'm going to access it from the right-click menu because it opens right on Object Properties, which is what I want. Expand Size, and I'm going to make the main column, that's the column that shows the nutrients and their amounts, a little bit narrower so the other columns can be a little wider. We'll enter 40% and click OK. And there we go. The column headers are on 1 line, looks a lot better, and that concludes this tutorial. Thank you.